Okay. Good evening, Budgies. Good evening, Budgies lovers. Hi. It's Budgie time in the evening. Yeah, hello guys. Yeah. Hello, Amber. It's Amber. Hello, Cindy. And hello, Flounder. I think he is hungry. How about you, Sophie? Are you eating?
Yeah.
Are you still eating? What are you eating? Siopao. Dumpling.
No, hindi.
What? Siopao? Okay. It's Amber time. Yeah, Amber, come here. Come here, come here, come here.
Flounder. How about Flounder?
Amber. Cindy. Oh, come on, Cindy. Cindy. Cindy, come on. I know you want to eat. Whoop. No, she wants Cindy. Oh. Now Flounder joins them. Yeah, see? Cindy wants. Cindy.
I'm back. I'm back.
Cindy. They are so quiet because it's already evening. So I think they are all tired now. They want to sleep. Yeah?
I'm back in here.
Okay.
Wait, Cindy's so cute and Flounder and
Yeah? Yeah?
James.
And especially James. Hi, James. How are you?
You're beautiful.
Yeah.
Blue.
He's the cutest one. I love the color.
Me too.
Yeah, the combination blue, white, and
Black.
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 Yes. So I think they're quiet tonight.
White. Black and white.
Yes. They don't want to sleep. Yeah, they're so quiet. And I think because it's already evening, what time is it? It's 8:10 in the evening here.
And here.
Yeah,
together.
that's why they're so quiet.
Yeah, together now.
Yeah.
Children.
Which one?
Children.
Ah, they are together.
They are.
Yeah, I missed that.
They are together.
Yeah, it's Flounder and
James.
James.
The beautiful one.
They're on the same stand, bird stand.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you. Here's the cutest thing with Amber. Amber, come here. I think she wanted. Here, go. Yay! She loves swimming here. No? How cute is it?
Yeah. I see it already.
Yeah, see? Oh. I don't know if she wants to speak. Oh, yes, speak.
Yes, Amber. What do you want? What did you do? What did you do? What are you doing? Sleepy ka na? Huh?
I think they're all sleepy. Yeah, maybe. Cindy, come. Come on. Very good. Oh, that's so quick. James?
They're all together, Cindy and Flounder.
And
James.
James. Oh, they're hiding at the back of their bird stand.
Because they're
Actually, they all ruined their nest. Look at this. One day it's gonna fall down. See, it's already ruined the roof. So I think we need to buy another one.
That's good.
Yeah, and also the bird stand. See, one of these days it will fall down also. So I think I need to fix it. Right?
Yeah.
See the thread? They cut it with their beaks. Look.
The thread here?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
Yeah. Actually, they all love also eating.
Lettuce.
No, it's a cabbage.
Cabbage.
Yeah. Sliced cabbage.
And also lettuce.
Yeah, but the most or the favorite is
Cabbage.
no lettuce.
Lettuce.
Yeah. They love to eat lettuce. Yeah. Oi. Yo. Oh, they want to stand up. Plunder and James. Ah, James already left. How about you, Amber? Amber, are you sleeping there? I think you're so sleepy there. You already close. Oh, see, you're yawning already. Right? James, I think you're still lively. You're still awake, I mean. And Cindy, yeah, I mean lively, awake. Yeah. Yeah.
Cindy's still awake, but Flander's still asleep.
Plunder? Yeah. They're so quiet now.
See, oh, Flander's closing his eyes.
Yeah, I think after maybe 15 minutes they will go back to their cage and sleep for the rest of the night. No? Yeah, I think they already lost their energy the whole day because they are so noisy
Oh, Cindy's blinking her eyes.
earlier.
She's sleepy.
Yeah. Look at them. Are they sleeping now? Cindy. She opened her eye already. Okay, I'll get Cindy. Cindy, oh, come. Yeah, very good.
No, that's
Oh, come here.
Amber, come
Oh, she's biting me. Amber's biting my finger. Come. She is so playful.
She's kissing you.
Yeah. Oh, what happened? Look. Oh. Are you happy, Sophie?
Because look, when it's locked on your finger, I laugh.
Yeah, you're so happy.
You're like my baby.
Yeah.
I love it.
So come here. Okay. Oh, they'll stay here now. Yeah. Okay. I think that's it for now.
No.
Why?
I want Haba.
You want to make a long video with your budgies? Oh. Okay, I'll try. I think they're already all awake now. They're not sleepy. They want to play with each other. Yeah, see? Look at that. Look, they make plunderers from the roof of the nest. And Cindy now is awake.
And Amber is awake too.
Amber, yeah. Amber. Yeah. Yo. But I think we need to say goodbye for now. Yes, thank you for watching, guys.
Like, subscribe, and share.
And-
And hit the notification bell for more updates on our next video.
Yeah.
Also, for upcoming videos.
Okay.
Bye. That's it.
And
Love.
all the love. Yay.
Yay, see you. Yay.
Yay. Bye, James. Sleeping time. Good night. Good night, Amber.
Good night, guys.
Okay.